Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to see who liked your photo on Instagram. Whether you're curious about your engagement or just want to keep track of your interactions, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to navigate your profile. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. Now, it's time to find the specific photo you want to check. Scroll through your posts until you locate the image in question. Once you've found it, simply click on it to view the full post. After opening the photo, look for the count of likes displayed beneath it. This number is usually next to a heart icon. Click on this count, and a list will pop up showing everyone who has liked your photo. Here, you can see not only the usernames but also their profile pictures, giving you a clear idea of who engaged with your content. This feature is particularly useful for tracking engagement and understanding which of your posts resonate most with your audience. You can revisit this list anytime you want to check back on who appreciated your work. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, opening the app, navigating to your profile, selecting the photo, and clicking on the likes count, you can easily see who liked your photos on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Instagram experience. Thank you for watching, and happy Instagramming.